Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, of course. I think for like the last f few months prior to that, you and I were like speaking a bunch about just LLMs and the rise of AI, and we were messing around with Chat GPT a bunch, just seeing how we could apply it to just like our day-to-day operations and everything. And so, and right up until that point, I was working with teams like implementing complex software and just remembering then like so much of my time was playing a role of a architect where I'm like, okay, in order to build this complex thing, these are all the things that are required, how they interlink with each other. So I think when you showed me the graph of a way to visualize software, that was just kind of like a breakthrough moment because up until then, no one had really you leveraged Chat G- GPT and LLMs in a visual manner. Because 2023, it was still really early on in terms of access to APIs and everything. So it was just like the first time where I was like, oh wow, okay, the output of AI isn't just raw, like a raw string. It can actually be put in a way that allows me to like visualize and understand things in a much more simplified manner. And in a manner that allows not only, me as a architect to grasp, but like a layman too, who just wants to understand, okay, what is actually required to get this built? And so it was then I was like, okay, yeah. And I remember I was like, okay, like Adam, like damn, like this is just bigger than, you know, optimizing this for a- agency.